and you want to create 3 of them, right? You click OK, you're so happy you want to create 3 of these parts, and nothing happens.
I understand.
What is a body? Can you make a body bigger? How can you make a body bigger? Can you make it smaller? Can you move a body? Can you mirror a body? Why can you mirror a body but you cannot mirror a feature? What's the difference between a body and a feature? How can you create a body? All of that in SolidWorks. And this is another episode of SolidWorks Tutorials with Ryan, and I'm here to teach you how to create, move, fear, to be recording. Okay, so this is an intro for multi-body mode in SolidWorks. So, what is a part? What is a body in SolidWorks? Look at that. This is a part, a 3D representation of a single design component. If you enter this mode in SolidWorks, whatever you do, whatever you create, 2D or 3D, will be saved or known as a part. Now, I and a lot of other people, including you, will by mistake call a body in SolidWorks a part, because basically it's a part. Okay? Now we can agree, if we all call it a part, it's SolidWorks' mistake to call it a body, because it should be called a part. Anyways, so I have nothing in this room in SolidWorks. 0. Empty. Alright. We have an object like this. So this part or object is actually a body in SolidWorks. Once you know the difference between a body and a feature, you can start utilizing the tools in different tabs in your toolbar up there. So let me be clear. For example, I want to multiply this body and create a linear pattern of it, make 3 of them with a little bit of distance between each. So naturally you will go to linear pattern. You're a beginner, right? Naturally, okay, you need a direction. Oh, damn it. I should have created an edge. Okay, I just created an edge, a cut into the body, so I can have this straight edge here. I can define it as a direction. Okay, so naturally you go to linear pattern, you pick up immediately, click on your part or whatever it is here, feature, you click on it, it picks it because it's a revolve. It was a feature that you used. And direction, you pick this line. Okay, now you see some representation of it, and you set the distance to 200. So we have some distance, and you want to create 3 of them, right? You click OK, you're so happy you want to create 3 of these parts, and nothing happens. And you're like, why can I not create them? Let me tell you why I just couldn't do that. Or if I do the mirroring, same thing will happen again. So why they don't work? I'll tell you. Let's just go back to linear pattern again. Because first, as we pick our direction, everything is normal. But at this point, you need to realize you're picking a body. You're trying to multiply a body. It's not a feature anymore. Why is it a body? Of course, you use the revolve feature to create it. Because as long as your set of features are connected to each other and isolated from everything else around them, they're not connected to anything else, it's like an island, 3D island in the space, they're considered a solid body in SolidWorks. So when you click on the linear pattern and you have this property manager over here, you have to activate bodies here in this section. Now you can pick this as a body in this section. Before you were picking it in this feature because it was open on default. Now you can multiply it and click OK. Now you can do that. It's not a problem anymore. Same goes with mirroring. This is as easy as this. Let's just show you how you can connect these bodies together and create one body. If I just connect them by a sketch and rebuild it, see, I still have 3 solid bodies. When I open it, this 1, this 2, this is 3. But if I just go and create a third body like this and connect them all together, they will all become one big body like this. I don't have that folder anymore that said 3 solid bodies. As easy as this. Now, why did they get connected to each other? Why? Because the merge results was checked. If I check merge results, they all connected to each other, and you will end up with one body. If I may uncheck it and click OK, then I will end up with 4 bodies because it will be a body added to those 3. Or I can check merge results, then I will see a new section in my property manager called feature scope. On default, it is set on selected body auto select. Uncheck auto select, then you can pick which 2 bodies are allowed to merge with this third one. Then if I click OK, these 2 are considered one body and the one in the middle is considered a separate body, so I'll end up with 2 bodies. If you get this right, a lot of your problems will be solved automatically. You get it? Did I help you? Did you subscribe? Did you like it? Did you share? Did you comment? Okay. This is SolidWorks Tutorials with Ryan. I will put weekly tutorials on my website. If you haven't been to my website, I think it is time for you to be on my website. Go to the website, sign up. I will put up weekly tutorials every week. I will try to put them up on Tuesdays, but usually it's sometimes plus minus 1 day. And they're perfect for beginners, intermediates, and sometimes professionals. These are the tutorials that we carefully pick and design step by step for you to understand and follow and become somebody like me one day. Hope to see you next week. Stay tuned. Have a nice weekend.